truck, I'll be happy. Yeah.
Oh, this is only a 2S battery too. This is 3S capable.
Really?
Yeah, it freaking rips. Honestly, yours is probably 3S capable too, but it'll run hot as heck.
And it's brushed. Mine brushed.
So is mine.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know if you upgraded.
Not yet. I'm gonna absolutely destroy this motor. There's zero reason for me not to run this until it's dead.
I got 3 more motors for this. My buddy upgraded his TRX 4 to brushless.
I want to, but it's pricey and
Yeah, you don't have the brake.
times are tough.
You don't have the downhill brake thing with the brushless. You use that.
There's a couple systems out there now that are specifically meant for crawling brushless, and they're pretty sick.
That's cool. My wife will make something out of that.
That's a good eye.
Did you see the turkey? It was up there when we were going this way.
No.
It was right just past that no trespassing sign tree. When we were crawling right here, they took out that way up over the hill. Talking about good eye. You're not getting past me.
Ooh, almost rear-ended him.
Yeah, did you see the pipe bumper that was not on there?
I do see the pipe bumper.
Because it kept catching the body when it come down off stuff. All that is a aluminum tent hole I cut with a pipe cutter.
Yeah, if you cut the little bolt that's sticking, that's how you tow your trailer.
I cut it off a little bit. But that's from the trailer because
I think this was like 13 bucks. I got to replace some bolts. You can see that I'm missing a couple here, and she's wobbling.
I got a whole bunch of bolts. I got a bolt set.
So that I think was like $13, and it came with a tow chain and a tow cable, and
yeah, I got the wreaths, but I don't have the ball or nothing. It wasn't on here.
time and money, right?
Yep.
I want my dad to get one, because all he ever does is sit around and take care of my mom. And while that is,
or just
yeah, no, she had a stroke. I mean, she's 70. Let's see, I'm 42. So my mom is currently 71. She'll be 72 in October. But she had a stroke, dude, like just a few months after they retired.
Oh,
It's like one of them cases of absolute bullcrap.
bad stroke.
Yeah, pretty bad. She doesn't walk without a walker, and she can't do hardly a dang thing on her own. She can't get up out of her recliner on her own to get into her walker, to walk with her walker. When I saw her today, because it's Mother's Day.
Oh yeah.
When I saw her today, she was looking super pale, and it was like 3:30 in the afternoon, and she was just waking up. But
It is. It's tough.
that's why, my dad has his side-by-side, and he doesn't like go for long rides, but he drives it around the property and like takes care of the property. Oh yeah.
Help mom get up in it.
Oh yeah, he puts my mom in it. Actually, like when they show up for my kids' birthday parties, they drive up in the side-by-side. Sometimes they drive it to church. Yeah, they live like 2 miles away. He was super happy when I gave him his side-by-side back. Because he was like, did you get my mirror installed? I was like, not exactly your mirror. I bought a different... Deer? Or another tree fall. Huh. Yeah, I told him, I was like, not exactly your mirror, because I couldn't really figure out a way to make it look decent in here and work right and be adjustable and blah, blah, blah. So I just ordered this one on Amazon. It was 40 bucks. It's fully adjustable.
Oh, rear view?
Yeah. And then I also put a windshield in it. A friend of mine gave me a thick piece of plexiglass that absolutely fit perfectly for a windshield. Huh?
The deep one.
Oh gosh, yeah, it was. Don't necessarily do that. I'm glad there was a rock in there to make it a little less. I'd have rolled it. I was too busy blabbing, not paying attention.
I warned you before you hit it. I'm not going through that hole. That one's a deep one. I got some two old tires, but they rub, so I got to get short wheel extensions. If I get an inch and a half, they won't rub. But then I don't know if I want that much wider.
That car or that truck is so sweet. I remember when you were first talking to me about RCs and I showed you the headlights, you're like, I don't really need headlights. You wait until you come over to my house and there's 20 tiki torches throughout the woods on that crawling course and the headlights are going and stuff. You'd be like, all right, yeah, you're right. This is cool.
It's like driving out in the country somewhere.
Yeah, like, I like it.
Yeah.
It's like driving on a creek bed.
Yep, that's exactly what we're doing.
Only it's a freaking washout down the side of a road. Zoom in on the private property sign. What do we got going on over here? I think the bigger tires on that deadbolt, the green rock crawler, I think the bigger tires is what possibly could have caused the transmission failure.
Yep. Could be.
So I'm gonna research and put a beefier transmission in it, and I haven't went this way at all. I drove in right here and
I want to look down in here.
I've been down in here. I pulled a freaking old signpost from right here on the corner.
Watch that culvert. I want to try to go up that.
Oh God, about broke my ankle.
That channel.
Yeah.
I would say that. Yep, right there.
Oh yeah, you got this. Oh, and I'm on my lid. Nice.
Follow the leader to get the heck out of here for a minute. That's full throttle. I'm about dead.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that was a blast.
I'm literally showing off your Geo. Or, well, it's not a Geo. This is a Chevy tractor, folks. Don't F that up. It is not a Geo tracker. It's a Chevy tracker. Very fun trucks. Very fun cars.
Very functional.
the TRX 4 Blazer,
Gotta get the mud.
and the Vaterra Suburban. Peace out.